We live in a world that is just run by code and programming. And for many of our students, if I don't introduce it at school, they will never experience programming. Hello, I'm Spencer Organ and I'm Head of Computer Science at King Edward VI Shelton Academy here in Birmingham. I've been a teacher for well over 25 years now, and for 24 of those years, I taught physics and lots of chemistry. So after doing a degree in chemistry, I became a secondary school teacher, and I've been really enjoyed teaching science for a very, very long time. But I realised that there weren't enough computer science teachers, and I've always loved programming, and I really got the idea that lots of free training out there. I could retrain to become a computer science teacher, and I could introduce computer science on the curriculum at my school. Code Club was a really nice vehicle for me to get students into programming and digital making before computer science was an option at the school. So Code Club originally ran in my science lab, around the Bunsen burners, all the kind of science equipment, and we'd do some programming on a Friday afternoon, making LEDs flash and a little bit of Minecraft. And from that, the students really got an exciting sense of what programming and digital making could be. So when I decided to change from being a science teacher to a computer science teacher, there were loads of courses and options you could find online. And a lot of them required some really sort of specific prior knowledge and skills. The Raspberry Pi Foundation's resources take for a complete novice, complete beginner, my very first LED flashing on and off, to be able to teach computational thinking and algorithms. So there was a really clear progression from using the Raspberry Pi resources that helped take me from a physics teacher who could use electricity to light an LED on, to a programmer who could teach how to use this in our digital making to our students. So when I'm not at school, I'm at home in my home makerspace. This is almost an extension of my classroom. One of the real benefits of digital making at home is I get a chance to check out all the projects I want to use for school, for Code Club or in the classroom. And my classroom's full of 3D printed models, projects, my latest R2-D2 little Raspberry Pi powered robot. And a lot of the projects started off life here in the makerspace. It's really exciting to see how the students have embraced computer science as a brand new subject at school. The take-up at GCSE for our first year option was fantastic, with 25 students. And this year I've already got students asking about, is there an option group for next year and how can I get onto it? Students are almost blown away by the resources now. We've spent a lot of time building 2 great classrooms. We are fully equipped with Raspberry Pis in the room. We have a massive amount of kind of hardware and resources as well, which just the students are so excited to be able to use. There are so many doors that programming and coding and digital making can open, and sometimes knowing where to start is difficult. I want my young students here, regardless of their background, regardless of their area they've been brought up in, to have the same experiences as all other students in the country. And the work I do with Raspberry Pi, the work I do with Code Club, is a way of opening those doors for our young people.